Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you updates to our Starlink hardware setup. If you haven't seen the first video, check it out now because it still contains relevant information. Here's the first update. These rubber feet for your stand that I mentioned previously but didn't yet have in my possession. They pop on easily and should help protect the roof. The second update consists of this storage wheel for better cable management. And here's the third update, a 3D printed grommet to pass your cable through a compartment door. The grommet comes with 4 parts, and I'll show you how they work. For installation, I'm going to use this step-up drill just to be safe. However, you want to drill a 7/8 inch or 22mm hole. Of course, you can place the hole wherever you see fit. It only takes a second to puncture the exterior. Inside the door you'll find styrofoam. Once the hole is ready, you can pass the closed grommet through. Simply tighten from the other side. When you're not using Starlink, this is how your door will look. Simple and clean. Before proceeding, I'm going to wind the cable around the storage wheel. I like this so much better than using cable ties. Before passing the cable through the door, don't forget to thread it through the nut. Give yourself as much cable as needed. On the outside, it only takes a moment to pop on the open grommet. Then close it with the connector. It's a tight fit. And this is how your door will look when using Starlink. There are times I don't place the dish on the roof because our stay is short or I need to avoid trees. In fact, I decided against cutting and splicing the Starlink cable for the latter. The final update is this custom sticker I created on Sticker Mule. I'm placing it in several spots just to be safe. And that's it for today's updates. As always, thanks for watching.